Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stake Shiba Inu token SHIB on Binance for passive income. And if you don't have an account on Binance yet, you can register from my link in the description and you will get 10% kickback on trading fees. And if you want to know how to buy the Shiba Inu token, you can check my other tutorial, which I will also leave a link to in the description. So anyways, right now I will show you how to stake the SHIB token. And you can see I'm logged in and I'm on the Binance homepage. And you can see the menu right here, and go into under finance and you can see Binance Earn. So click on Binance Earn. And right here you can see Binance Earn, simple and secure, search popular coins and start earning. So you can see popular coins right here. So you can just click on this menu right here, and then you can search for SHIB, and then you will see the Shiba Inu token right here. So click on SHIB, and then you will see guaranteed, principal guaranteed, and lots of different alternatives to stake the SHIB token right here. So you can see one estimated APY is 33%, and that duration lockup period is 15 days. So you will have to lock up your SHIB tokens for 15 days in order to earn 33% APY. And this is the annual percentage yield. So this is for 365 days. So I'm not sure exactly how much percentage you will earn for 15 days, but you can see there are other lockup periods as well. So you choose whatever you want to lock up your SHIB tokens for. I will select the 15 days, 33% APY right here. Then I will click stake. And you can see type, locked, and duration. So here you can select how many days you want to lock up for. I will keep it on 15 days. You can see I have some available amount of SHIB right here. So I will click on max. You can see the minimum amount is 1 million, I think. I'm not exactly sure how many zeros that are. We will see if I have enough. Yeah, I probably have enough. And you can see stake date, value date, interest period 1 days, redemption period. So estimated interest, you will see how many SHIBs I would get for staking 365 days, I think this is. So I will click on I have read and I agree, confirm purchase. And you can see subscription success. And if you want to see the amount staked and all that, you can go to your wallet and earn right here. And now you can see I'm inside earn. You can see savings, and then you can just click on locked staking right here. And then it will be on flexible, so choose locked right here. And here you can see my coin SHIB, total amount I have staked, estimated APY, subscription date, locked period, and all that. And then you will see the cumulative, that's probably not the right pronunciation, but the interest right here, and you will gain some interest on your staked SHIB tokens. I'm not sure exactly how many times per day it updates. Maybe you will have to update it the next day or something. You can see the estimated next distribution amount, interest period, and all that. So you can also click redeem earlier if you want to withdraw your SHIB amount. But to earn the interest, you will have to keep your SHIB tokens staked right here. So anyways, that's how you stake the Shiba Inu crypto token SHIB on Binance to earn passive income, basically an interest on your staking amount. So hopefully you found value in this video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency tutorials and reviews. Else, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.